I ask the question is this one question. Can you explain the benefit of cloud computing small business? We can add this one. Actually, this much is given I asked that particular question. Can you explain the benefit of cloud computing to small business? I will only title I will read. There's much more data is there. The video is so long, that's why I reduced that purpose. I only cost saving and increased flexibility and scalability, enhanced security and improving calibration of product and focus on core business and example of cloud servicing small business can use the cost efficiency, flexibility and enhanced security, the focus on core business. This is all are given this Gemini immediately that question answer. I ask another question clearly. Generating stream real time. This was the mic on the generating a digital market strategy for a startup offering eco-friendly product to millennium audience.
Okay, I can help with that. First, you'll need to identify your target audience, which is millennial. Then, research their online habits and preferences. Next, you should create engaging content that highlights the eco-friendliness of your products and promote it through social media, search engine optimization, and influencer marketing. Finally, track and measure the results of your strategy and make adjustments. Does that sound like a good
Generating a
starting
digital
point?
market strategy for a startup offering eco-friendly product to millennium audience.
I can help with that. Okay.
First,
You'd like to know the
you'll need to
meaning
identify
of
your
Jeevan
target
answer,
audience, which
It
is
appears to be a
millennial.
name or a
Then,
reference
research
to a
their
specific
online
answer given
habits
by
and
someone called
preferences.
Jeevan.
For
Next,
any
you
other
should create
information you can
engaging
give me,
content that
like
highlights the
context,
eco-friendliness
that can
of
help me
your
understand
products
it.
and promote it through social media, search engine optimization, and influencer marketing. Finally, track and measure the results of your strategy and make adjustments. Does that sound like a good starting point? Okay, I can help with that. First, you'll need to identify your target audience, which is millennial. Then, research their online habits and preferences. Next, you should create engaging content that highlights the eco-friendliness of your products and promote it through social media, search engine optimization, and influencer marketing. Finally, track and measure the results of your strategy and make adjustments. Does that sound like a good starting point? Okay, you'd like to know the meaning of Jeevan answer. It appears to be a name or a reference to a specific answer given by someone called Jeevan.
A formula business proposal for partnership with the financial service company is given. What type of answer is given? You observe this. The this your name. You observe this prompt, how is the clear cut is given to this, the company letterhead, and take a date and partner of the company, partner of company address, subject formula, proposal, strategy, partnership between your company name and partner company name also. The execute summary is given. After that, introduction of your company, overview is given, key strength of this given, and introduction, partner company name overview is given, key strength also given, partnership opportunity given, proposed partnership activity scope also given, this financial projections and revenue sharing also given, and management and governors also given, the total conclusion call action also given. After that is thank you your time and consideration sincerely, your name, your title, your company name, your contact information. This is the prompt as the this prompt is different. He asked this prompt question. I will show you. Draft a formal business proposal partnership with financial service company. Company is given this type of This is the formal business proposal letter draft type prompt is given. This is the one type of creative prompt. I will give another prompt question also ask. You observe this. The constraint and guidelines I asked to the another question this Google Gemini. The provide 5 key recommendations of improving website is SEO with example and source. I asked this question, provide 5 key recommendations for improving website SEO with examples of source. It is given this instruction. It is the conducting comprehensive keywords research optimize and create high quality user focused content and optimize website structure and technical SEO, build high quality backlinks and optimize local SEO if applicable, and Google Central and improving ranking Google. This much are given. This optimizes local SEO also. I ask another question, another type of question. Provide context for complex query questions I ask now. I type complex query question. Write a Python script that user pandas to clean and analyzing data set containing customer purchase output the total sales by this month. You observe this? First is providing is the Python data. After that is given to the panda is how to use, explain and important pandas and calculate a total price, group of month, calculate a total sales, return result and example usage and row handling and column of names and data formatting, customization, data visualization. You observe this is the so many types you can use and day by day in the developing in the Gemini AI. You can use you improve day by day in the something to learn new things in Gemini. You ask the Gemini 20 Flash also experimental usage of the free now. This much. Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today's topic is the Gemini, why write effective prompts matter and component of effective prompts. This is the matter. The quality of prompt directly impact quality of AI response. Purely written prompts can be leading an incomplete or inaccurate result. The several reasons underscore the impact of writing effective prompts. Precision and accuracy of the well-formulated prompt help you ensure that Gemini provide accurate information generating content that align close your expectations. Efficiency. By writing clear and precise prompts, users can reduce the amount of time spent finding response corrections, errors, asking follow-up questions. Creativity and insight. These good prompts can unlock the full creative potential Gemini where you are generating content, brainstorming ideas, or solving complex problems. Contextual relevancy. Efficiency effective prompts provide context guiding Gemini to understand tasks and respond appropriately. Component of effective prompt. Before diving into specific strategy, write an effective prompts. The clarity. The clarity is the cornerstone of any effective prompt. Clear prompt leaves little room of ambiguity to ensure that AI models understand exactly what you are asking to achieve clarity. The use specify language, avoid vague terms, overall compressed decision. The example of this question, tell me about cloud computing. You can ask can you explain the benefit of cloud computer small business? This is the clarity of question. The second version of providing clarity about the specified information, you look for the context. This context has helped Google Gemini understanding background circumstances and surrounding prompts. This example is you ask this question generating a marketing strategy. You ask this way to the same question, generate the digital marketing strategy for the startup offering eco-friendly products to a millennial audience. The first step beginning about the talks questions key generating effectively. The ask another question specifically help me write a report. This is the confused question. You ask this way. Help me write 1,000 words report on the impact of social media advertising consumer behavior with emphasis the real industry. This is the right way to ask clarity of the question. The tone and style. The example, you want to write 500 words blog posts and remote work productivity make informative friendly draft formal business proposal partnership with financial service. This is the question. You can first prompt indicate casually friendly tone. The second suggestion more formally professional style. The constant guidelines is the example generates 700 words article renewable energy focusing only on solar window energy source. This is the one question. The provide 5 key recommendations improving website SEO with example sources. This is the another question. Strategy of writing effective prompts. Start with clear instructions. Ask what happened with global warming. You can ask this way. Explain the primary cases of global warming in 300 words. Focus on human activities. This way you ask clear questions. The example generate story about adventure. You ask this way, act twist where main character discover hide treasure but the crushed. This is if you ask words in pity. The providing complex queries, break large tasks small parts, write a Python code for data analyzing. You can ask this way, write a Python script use pandas to clean and analyzing data content customers purchase output total sales by month. This is all or as the clear cut questions are this. You can ask the coding development, you ask write a JavaScript questions are